TCS Work from Home ends with the company calling its employees back to their Deputed branch. This was announced earlier in an HR communication. TCS Work from Home, India's biggest IT services company in terms of revenue, the Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) has opened the doors of its offices for all employees to return on November 15, Monday. The move comes at a time when COVID-19 cases are slowly declining in the country, with the lowest number of active coronavirus cases in over 500 days. Schools, colleges and offices of different sectors are beginning to open in this situation, ending a months-long period of the work-from-home regime. TCS has asked its employees to come back to their Deputed location-based branch by November 15, which is today, according to reports. The company has in a statement issued to the Economic Times earlier said it would ask employees to return to the Deputed branches at least initially, before implementing its ambitious 25-25 model. Towards the end of Site 21, we will encourage our associates to return to offices, at least initially, before we switch to the 25-25 model. This will be done in a phased and flexible manner and will depend on respective team leaders and the requirements of each team project, the statement reads. We are committed to the 25-25 model, but before transitioning to the model we need to start by getting people back to office and gradually evolve to 25-25, it adds. The IT giant has a plan of eventually turning to a hybrid model 25-25. Under this model, company believes that by 2025, only 25% of its associates will need to work out of facilities at any point of time. Also, the employees will not need to spend more than 25% of their time at work. As of last week, only 5% of the company's workforce was working from their specific offices, the company said. TCS has 28,748 strong workforce on its rolls, in India and across the world. The move to call back officers back to their locations was made via a communication from TCS Executive Vice President and Global Head of Human Resources Milind Lakkad. TCS had in October said it will call back its employees to their office desks since about 70% of them have been fully vaccinated and around 95% have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine during the ongoing job drive across the country. With 70% of TCS's employees of TCS fully vaccinated, and over 95% having received at least one dose, we plan to gradually get our workforce back in office by the end of this year, Lakkad had said, while announcing the updates regarding the earnings for the quarter ending in September. As employees prepare to return to office after months of working from home, organizations must transform their workplaces to create a purpose-led and adaptable enterprise. They require a comprehensive plan for safety, security and basic health needs of employees guided by empathy, engagement and empowerment, a note on the company's website reads. TCS Safe Workplace ensures a smooth workplace transition by monitoring the key criteria that assure a safe and secure workplace and productive environment. It helps minimize the complexities involved in redefining safety protocols to maintain social distancing. Equipped with an overarching deployment methodology and a strong integration layer, the solution offers end-to-end services across advisory, design, implementation and support, it adds. Companies, especially in the IT sector, are more eager to bring back employees to the for 3 a week, rather than 5 days a week, according to a report by NASSCOM. As per the report, employees above the age of 25 will be back in their offices by November itself, while the next lot based on age will come in a similar graded manner.